This is our daily routines for Golly lesson 4. Our first activity we're going to do for daily routines is we're going to practice rhyming words. I'm going to say a rhyming word, and then you have to think of a word that rhymes, but it also has to begin with the G sound. So it has to start with G and rhyme with the word that I say. Here we go. Wet. Think of a word that rhymes with wet, but starts with G. Did you think of get? Nice work. Hum. Think of a word that rhymes with hum, but starts with G. Did you think of gum? Hum, gum. Nice work. Fold. Think of a word that rhymes with fold, but starts with G. I bet you thought of gold. Think of a word that rhymes with cave, but starts with G. Did you think of gave, cave, gave? Think of a word that rhymes with hood, but starts with G, hood. Hood, good. That's probably what you thought of. Can you think of a word that rhymes with late, but starts with G? Late. I bet you thought of gate. Nice work. Same. Think of a word that rhymes with same, but starts with G. Did you think of game? Last word we're going to do, wiggle. Think of a word that rhymes with wiggle, but starts with G. If you thought of giggle, you got it. You're going to need some ice cream lines next for dictation practice. If you don't have some in front of you, go ahead and get some so you can pause the video, get your ice cream line paper and a pencil, and we're going to be writing lowercase letters for the sound you hear at the beginning of a word I say. So here's our first word, cookies. Write the lowercase letter that stands for the sound at the beginning of cookies. Did you write a lowercase c? If you did, thumbs up. Write the lowercase letter for the sound you hear at the beginning of goat. Goat. If you wrote a lowercase g, that's what you should have done. Next, write a lowercase letter for the sound you hear at the beginning of ox. Ox. Should have written an O. How about this word? Garage. Write the lowercase letter that stands for the sound at the beginning of garage. Did you write a lowercase g? How about odd? Write the letter that stands for the sound at the beginning of odd. Lowercase o is what starts that word odd. Last word we'll do, cards. Write the lowercase sound for that you hear at the beginning of cards. I bet you wrote a lowercase c. Nice work on dictation practice. Last thing we're going to do is handwriting practice. Please write 8 uppercase G's and 8 lowercase g's. Have fun practicing handwriting.